Hello YouTube, Dylan Olson here with another drawing lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Tom the cat from the beloved Tom and Jerry franchise. So like this video, hit that subscribe button, get a pencil and a piece of paper, and let's get started. We're going to start with Tom's head, which is going to start out as a circle, and then it's going to be a sort of this leaf shape for the bottom part of his head. And then we're going to put center lines to know where the middle of his face is. And then right below it, we're going to draw this kind of a squashed shape, or kind of a peanut shape. And remember, like I always say, draw lightly at first until you have the lines you want in your final piece. Then we're going to put these two different lines for the arms and legs. This will be his tail. All right, we've broken down our basic building blocks of him, and now it is time to draw his face. We'll start with his nose. His nose is going to start out as this. Not sure what kind of shape this is. Then it goes out like this. And then we'll draw his nose, which is, like most animal noses, a soft upside down triangle shape. And then make sure you put a white spot on it. It creates a little highlight on there. And shade it in. Okay, now we'll draw a U shape on this side for like his right cheek. And then we'll draw the other cheek right here. Then we need to draw his whiskers. And then we'll draw the outer area of his mouth. Then we're going to put this U shape right here. Then right on the right side, we're going to get his other fur. And they'll be longer and bigger than the other ones. And then right here, we'll draw two more whiskers that are a little longer. Okay, we've gotten down the mouth area. Now, let's draw his eyes. And his eyes will be like most characters created by Hanna-Barbera. They're these large oval shapes. And to draw eyes, even human eyes, we do the basic main eye, then we do the iris, and then the pupil, and then you shade in the pupil black. And the same thing with over here. The iris and the pupil. And then up here, you're going to draw kind of like these upside down U shapes for the fur of his skin. Then we're going to bring up his head. And then now we need to draw his eyebrows, which will be these moon shapes. This one will be smaller, and this one right here will be bigger. Then you can color those in. Then you'll bring side up. Then you're going to draw these 3 zigzag lines for the fur. And then right here, we're going to draw his cat ear. So we're going to draw these. And then the inside of the ear is going to be this kind of leaf shape. And get the outside of his ear as well. And then we're going to draw only the outer ear right here on this side. Okay, now let's get on with his mouth. So we'll draw this U shape. We're making him smile. And then we'll draw his big tongue right here. Now you just color the inside of his mouth. Like that. So there, that's Tom's head. Now we gotta draw his body. So we'll draw his neckline right there, and another one back here. Then we'll draw a series of curves for his arm. So there we got his arm. And then we need to draw his paw. So we'll put these zigzag lines for his sleeve. Well, he's not really wearing any clothes, he's a cat. And then we'll draw the thumb. And he's gonna have showing 3 fingers. Here's the middle one. Here's the other one. And the last one. Then his finger bridge and the palm line. Okay, now we need to draw his body. And then we need to draw his lower body. And then you're gonna make that, this is like usually an animal has a part of their body that's a color different from the main body. So that's what we're kind of drawing here. Then we'll draw 2 lines that go down the middle. And then we'll draw the lower part of his tummy. And here's the back part of his body. And then we need to draw his arm. Here's his main arm. Okay, now let's get his other hand right here. So we'll draw fur, one finger right here, and then his paw line, and one here. Give him his thumb. And his finger. Just like that. Okay, now it's time to draw his feet. And he has these short little legs. And just like the arms, we will be drawing zigzag lines down the bottom. And then his feet. And he's going to have 3 toes. Just like that. And then draw these 3 toes that are almost like half circles. And the same thing with over here. So it's going to be a little longer. And then draw these zigzag lines. And then right here, we'll draw these half circles, 3 of them for the toes. And then last, we gotta draw his tail, which will be this long kind of triangular shape where it gets thick here and then a little thin right there. And then we'll draw 3 zigzag lines like that. And then if you want, take the side of your pencil and put a little shadow underneath Tom, because he's standing and we don't want to make him look like he's floating in the middle of nowhere. And get the side as well. And then get the front as well. Then we can erase some of our construction lines. We put inside and outside of his body. Some here. And there you go. You have Tom the cat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, write your name on it, hang it on your refrigerator, and share with your friends. So take care. We'll see you next time, and keep drawing.